Jen's Hangouts. I'm Jen, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please hit that like and subscribe button and ring that bell to all so you can be notified of all of my future uploads. Today, we have one of our favorites, right? Because, you know, if you've hung out with me forever and you're returning, I love you guys, you know that. But we have one of my favorite subscriptions, and that is the Dollar Tea Club. Did I get a picture? Okay, there we go. If you don't know what the Dollar Tea Club is, I have my code listed down below. All you have to do is copy and paste it. They haven't done a link yet for some reason. Anyway, it's not an affiliate code or anything, but it does save you a little money, and I think I get like $1 for it or something. Anyway, Dollar Tea Club is a $1 a month tea subscription for loose leaf tea, and then you pay shipping and tax. I don't have tax, but I do pay shipping, and my whole thing comes out to like $5 or $6. So there's that. And their teas are phenomenal. Okay, they have lip butters now, and you can use a coupon code T as in TEA #2 lips to get $2 off of that, or you can get the summer favorite, which was an amazing tea, I have to say, especially iced. Smooth citrus notes on a high crown Ceylon tea, which was their grapefruit frosé, and it was really good. And you just use this code. So there you go. And that code is frosé22, and you will get coin off there. Get $1.50 off. Then we have more coupons. We love coupons. Okay, so this one is Campfire S'mores. It is a limited edition tea. They bring it out every year, but it's only this time of year that they bring it out. So you can save $2 with the coupon code 2SMORE2. So there you go. There's that. And then there's Trick or Tea Shop Spooky at the Dollar Tea Club. There you go. Now, the teas for this month are, oh my gosh, this one sounds phenomenal, like right up my alley, because I love spicy teas. My favorite tea is, not from them, my favorite tea of all time is the Good Earth tea, the original. It is like cloves and cinnamon and cardamom, and it's super spicy, has a little bit of tang at the back. It is so good. Doesn't need any sweetener. It's just, whew. But my favorite tea from these guys is the chocolate strawberry. Oh, it's so good. You want dessert? Go drink that tea. I'm serious. It has real chocolate in it. It's so good. Anyway, so this is the Cinnamon Swirl. It's a black tea with cinnamon, orange pieces, and natural flavors. So it's black tea, 4 to 5 minute steep time, and 212 degree Fahrenheit or 100 degree Celsius temperature. There you go. And the little thing says, an excellent spice tea tending cinnamon hot with delicious fruit notes. That sounds banging. Okay, then there is Jack-o'-lantern, because we are in October. And it is apple and carrot pieces, hibiscus, cinnamon, pomegranate peels, beet pieces. Is this really beet pieces? Yep. Cardamom, sea buckthorn, pumpkin pieces, and natural flavors. Okay, this sounds really good, actually. This is a fruit tea. So it's going to be non-caffeinated. This would be a good dessert tea. 4 to 7 minutes to 12 Fahrenheit, 100 Celsius. But yeah, this would be a really good dessert tea in the evening. You know, you wouldn't have to worry about the caffeine hitting you. Okay, so then there is a lemon biscotti. Oh, yes. And this is a black tea with lemon, currants, lemongrass, tangerine, moringa, blackberry leaves, natural flavors. This is a black tea, 4 to 5 minutes, 100 degrees Celsius to 12 Fahrenheit. Enjoy bright and sweet lemon notes with decadent hints of malty vanilla flavor. Yum! Those all sound fantastic. Remember, check out my copy and paste code and stuff down below. Save yourself some coin. And like I said, this is one of my favorites. It is so worth checking out. You can, if you find a tea that you like a lot, you can buy them in bigger bags. I have several. So, and I also make cold brew iced tea out of their teas. The majority of their tea I make cold brew iced tea out of. So, and it all works out wonderfully. So, anyway, blessings to all. I love you so, so much. Have a safe and happy Halloween. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.